In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add background colour to text here in Canva. Now, there's a couple of different ways that we can do this, and it's going to depend on what you actually want to do. So if we click onto here, we can see I've added a background. Now, this is literally a separate element. Now, you can do this with a graphic, an element, a shape, whatever you want. Now, the reason for doing it this way, now this was really simple. If we come to elements, this was just a square stretched out and changed the color. But the reason for doing it this way is so that we can add an effect to the text. So if we take a look just here, we have this effect with a border round the text. Now, I'm showing you this way because there is a separate way. We can actually use that same element, or should I say shape. This can be done with any shapes as well. But let's click onto this square. Let's stretch this out a little bit, just like that. Now, this alone can be turned into a text box. As we can see, this is flashing just here, which means if we double click there, let's just click paste, just like so. And now we've added text to this element. Now, this way though, let's just enlarge this. Let's go to here. Let's just make that bigger like this. But this way, if we look up here in the search bar, there's no effects tab. Whereas if we come over to here, this is just a standard font, not connected to anything, so we're getting that effects. But again, if we come here, and if we use this square, and add the text inside the square, we're not going to be able to add that feature. But we can still bold, we can still change fonts, and we can still change the colour as well. But doing it this way, we can now, let's just go back one, use this box and change it to any colour that we want. So if we come up to colour just here, let's click on yellow, that background has now been changed. And that's how we can add background colour to text here in Canva. So it's going to depend on what you're trying to do, or the effects that you want on your font. If you just want the font, try and use the element and then add it in the element. If you want to use a font with a feature just like this, then what we can do is simply add the graphic, the element, the shape to the canvas just like this. Then if it covers the font, we can click on there, come to position, click on back, and then it's put it behind that font. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to add a background colour to text here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.